You're going to go back to your original counsel. Your next court dates are April 7th and April 10th in the Downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your original judge. It's a $500 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're going to be placed on pretrial services supervision. You're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. Not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Want to please touch your left for your paperwork, sir. Other way, sir. Thank you.
So the people that are in street clothes,
Curry to the podium. Christiana Kelly to the chair, please.
They just got arrested.
Name and date of birth, please.
Darius Curry, August 14th, 1994.
Thank you. You are here on a Superior Court arrest warrant. Probable cause is previously found for possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony, shoplifting, a Class 6 felony. This occurred back in August of 2023. I am assigning counsel. Your next court dates are April 7th and April 10th in the Downtown Superior Court. Affirming the bond set by your judge, it's a $500 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're going to be placed on pretrial services release, not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, and not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. One, please step to your left, sir.
Next, man.
Christiana Kelly to the podium.
This judge definitely got some flow, man. He's definitely trying to get home ASAP.
Abdulweli Abdurrahman to the chair, please. Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Christiana Kelly, August 27, 1992.
Thank you. You're here today on a failure to appear warrant. I'm not assigning you new counsel. You're going to go back to your original counsel. Your next court date's April 7th in the Downtown Superior Court. Affirming the bond set by your original judge. It's a $500 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
She got approved.
Left your paperwork, ma'am.
She got paroled.
Did you have a question?
But she is gonna get deported. She had a nice hold.
Abdulweli Abdurrahman to the podium. Christian Dunn to the chair, please.
If you want to check the whole video, check it out. I got it archived on YT.
Name and date of birth, please.
Abdulweli Abdurrahman, 010-1992.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 8th in the Downtown Superior Court. Affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's a $500 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your probation officer within 3 days. Please step to your left for your paperwork, sir. Christian Dunn to the podium. Victor Carrasco Medrano to the chair, please.
Next! Up next on The Price is Wrong. Let's see what it
Date
is.
of birth, please.
Yeah, we can't even see his face.
Dunn, August 4th, 2003.
Thank you. You are here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you to counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 8th in the Downtown Superior Court. Affirming the bond set by a probation violation judge. It's a $500 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or
Thank you,
witness.
Joanna.
Not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within
Thank
3
you.
days.
May I
Witness
request an OR
underscore
bond?
nanny.
This case happened before I went to prison, and I had no clue that I was going to be placed on probation directly following my parole.
So, sir, that was told to you at the time of I imagine you took a change of plea, and so what you got was a probation tail. So you went to prison first, and then you were informed that you're going to be placed on probation on your secondary charge after you got out of prison. So, sir, at this point, I can't see any reason to put you on OR release, and so I'm going to affirm the bond set by the judge.
See, I have a job. I'm a DoorDasher, and I have rent
What?
coming up in 2 days, and that's why I was out tonight. I got into an accident tonight, and that is the only reason I'm standing in front of you today.
Hey, that's life right there. That fool said I'm a DoorDasher. I got a job. We all got jobs. We all got rent.
I am trying to do better.
You should have cleared up that warrant as
Sir,
soon as
I
you got out.
understand that your petition to revoke was filed back in October 2024, and so this warrant has been out there since
Over a year. Oh, no, not a year.
October of 2024.
So like
I was still
6
on
months.
parole.
So technically, you're not on parole when you have a probation tail. They actually get rid of parole because you're going to be on probation through Maricopa County. So that's the situation there. 1 second.
Is he going to give him a break? What do you guys think? Is he going to give him a break? Or should
Yeah,
he
I
lock him
understand
up?
you were in a vehicle collision and you were taken to Tempe City Jail after the collision because they found that warrant for your arrest. So, sir, I'm sorry. I'm going to be affirming the bond. Why don't you step to your left here, paperwork?
It's gonna be a no-go. Hey, this is live.
David Carrasco Madrano to the podium. Antonio Lott to the chair, please.
Antonio Lott.
Name and date of birth, please.
Victor Carrasco Medrano, August 18, 1998.
Thank you. You're here today in a failure to appear warrant. I'm not assigning you new counsel. You're going to go back to your original counsel. Your next court dates are April 7th and April 10th in the Downtown Superior Court. Confirming the bond set by your original judge, it's a $500 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
Okay.
Thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Thank you.
Antonio Lott to the podium. Paulina Luna to the chair, please.
Antonio Tracy Lot, 6287.
I'm sorry, just for this, could you please lower your mask? All right, thank you. Name and date of birth, please.
Antonio Tracy Lot, 6287.
Thank you. You are here on 2 Justice Court warrants. Let me talk about the first one. I'm assigning counsel. Your next court date is going to be April 4th. That's
It looks
at the
like it.
Maryvale Justice Court. Affirming the bond set by the judge out there, the $45 secured appearance bond. And then for your second one, I am assigning counsel. Your next court date is also April 4th, although that one's at the North Mesa Justice Court. And I am affirming the bond set out there. It's a $100 secured appearance bond, so total $145 secured. If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Why don't you step to,
Thank you.
sure. Why don't you step to your left for your paperwork?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning from sunny London. London sunny? What the what? Boy,
Paulina
this
Luna
judge
to
is
the
moving
podium.
these
Anthony Gray
cases
to the chair,
through
please.
fast. Yeah, he doesn't play around. She's asking about the Korean earlier today. Yeah, she got paroled. She did get paroled, but she had a parole ICE
Hi.
detainer.
Just for this, could you please lower your mask?
Yes.
Thank you. Name and date of birth, please.
Working
Paulina Luna, January 22nd, 1973.
right here,
Thank you.
Ben.
You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be April 8th in the Downtown Superior Court. Affirming the bond set by a probation violation judge. It's a $100 secured appearance bond.
The
If you're
teacher?
able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most importantly, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
So I'm not going to get out.
Huh.
Unless
Afraid
you
not.
unless you can get $100 together. Right.
What is it for? Anyways, I don't even know.
Sure. Let me tell you that.
Thank you, Kramer. We can't see the mugshots anymore on Utah. You talk about Utah? Yeah, the teacher, she got paroled. She's out. She's going to be out on the prowl. So, hey, hide your kids.
Your probation officer says that you refuse to actively participate in Terras substance abuse treatment,
Oh, my God.
and that
What?
you refuse to participate in intake assessment with Terras Health on January 28th, February 20th, and March 14th,
Hey,
and
Cruz.
failed to
810.
submit to drug testing on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dates,
No, I went. That's what
and
I don't understand.
No,
did
you
not
didn't.
complete any of the 100 hours of community restitution. So those are the four reasons for the petition.
Okay.
All right.
All right,
Please step to
okay.
the left for your paperwork, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Anthony Gray to the podium. Miguel Astorga to the chair, please.
Maricopa is Arizona. Yes, it is. And she's all surprised. Wait, what? What? Oh, wait. What are you talking about? I compliant. Yeah, right. I heard that before. I probably even use that excuse
Hi,
myself.
name and date of birth, please.
125, 1978.
Name, please.
Anthony Lee Gray.
Thank you. You are here on a Justice Court new case. You've
looks
been arrested
old.
for criminal damage, a Class 1 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be April 4th. That's at the Agua Fria Justice Court.
Oh, wow.
Setting a secured appearance
Did he
bond
say
of $100. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If you want, please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Maricopa, born and raised. That's right, Perez.
Miguel Astorga to the podium.
I don't know about y'all, but these people are too grown to continue doing this. Hey, be like that sometimes.
Hi, is the interpreter on the line?
Yeah, not the T-Mood interpreter.
Yes, sir.
This guy sucks.
Hi, I'll be speaking to the defendant right now.
Hey, it's a lot
Sir,
of...
could you please state your full name and date of birth?
Are you in the toilet
Por
or
favor, podría
what?
proporcionar su nombre completo y su fecha de nacimiento.
Ok. Mi nombre es Miguel Ángel Astorga y nací en febrero 3 de 1993.
He's from 93. 4th Ave Jail. Yum. Hey, Nate, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate it.
Yes, my name is Miguel Angel Astorga, and my date of birth is February 3rd, 1993.
Thank you. You are here on a probation violation warrant.
Puppet. Órale, little
Está usted aquí por
puppet.
la violación
Thank you
de
for the
un
follow.
periodo probatorio.
I'm
Jerry,
assigning you an attorney,
thank you for
and your
the
next
follow.
court date is April 8th in the downtown Superior Court.
Jody.
Ok, entonces estoy asignándole en este momento a un
What up,
abogado
Cha-Cha?
y su próxima audiencia en la corte sería para el día 8 de abril.
Ok.
Ok.
I am affirming the bond set by your
Interpreter.
probation violation judge. It's a $250 bond.
Man, I wish LA County gave these type of
Estoy
bonds.
viendo ahorita el bono de $250 que se le había colocado.
But sir, did they transport you from prison?
Watching from Monterey, California.
¿A usted lo trajeron desde la prisión?
I swear.
Sí.
Hey, I remember this one time I got arrested
Okay,
for.
sir, please do not pay that bond because
LA
you're
County
going to
will
be
never,
held
straight up.
in custody until the completion of your probation violation hearing.
Hey, I got arrested once
Entonces,
in LA
no vaya a
County
pagar ese bono,
for
usted va a
vandalism.
ser retenido en prisión hasta la audiencia.
Guess how
por
much
esta
my bail
violación
was?
al periodo probatorio.
I'm sure you guys
Okay.
won't even guess.
Once your case is completed, you will be transported back to prison.
No. Yeah, right.
Una vez que su caso esté completado, va a ser transportado
You got that one,
nuevamente a la
Norwegian? That's what my bill was right
Okay.
there. You got that, Norwegian.
prisión. Ok.
Please step to your left for your paperwork.
$200,000.
Vamos a pasar a la izquierda por su papelería.
Not 20,000, 200,000. I'm pretty sure I
Thank
got
you,
the
Mr.
paperwork
Interpreter, for
somewhere
your help.
around there. And I wish I would be exaggerating.
Sir, thank you for calling
Vandalism.
back for your language needs.
Thank you. Could we please get Mr. Stothers?
Yeah. Hey, I wish I was joking. Graffiti vandalism, tagging.
This gentleman and
Sure.
another person, I'll get him.
That's fine.
Man, I wait. Can you even get bailed out? No, I was an adult. I was 20 already. Unfortunately, sad to say, embarrassing to say, but yeah, it be like that sometimes. Mine was 150 on a DUI, refusal to submit a test. Yeah, hey, LA County don't play around. Hey, thank you, Joanna. Highly appreciate that. I had to pay eight grand for a time theft charge. Hey, thank you for the follow. I'm not sure what your name is, but you have a little red icon. $200,000 for vandalism. How is that legal? That's the way it was in LA. LA, they try to keep everybody in.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Skylar Stothers. Date of birth is 02/14/2000.
Thank you.
If for a juvenile, you're
You are
good
here
now.
on a Superior Court grand jury warrant. The grand jury has found probable cause to hold you on 11 counts of sexual conduct with a minor, Class 2 felonies. These were alleged to have occurred back on or around March of 2025. I am assigning counsel. Your next court date is going to be an arraignment hearing on April 9th in the downtown Superior
If
Court.
you will.
I'm affirming the bond set by the grand jury. It's a $50,000 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you'll be placed on pretrial services supervision, be fitted with an electronic ankle monitor. You're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. No contact with any minors. You are prohibited from accessing the internet through any electronic means, and you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. If you want to please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Hey, that's a pretty low bond. Hey, so
For
Norwegian,
the following
no.
two individuals, I'll be visiting them back at their cell. They pose a risk of harm to themselves or
Hey,
to
thank you
others.
for that.
Naomi
Hey, Miss P.
Garcia, date of birth 2/18/93, is here on a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Next court date's April 8th in the downtown Superior Court, affirming the bond set by the probation violation judge of $1,000 secured. If she's able to bond out, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol, must contact her probation officer within 3 days.
Hey,
Mark
Shell, thank you
Shanfro,
for the
date of
follow.
birth 1/24/71, here on a
He's going to
municipal court
PC.
new case. Arrested
Yep.
for 2 counts of shoplifting, Class 1 misdemeanors. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning counsel.
Hey, thank you for that
Next court
friendship.
date's April 9th in
Nicholas.
the Goodyear City Court. Setting security appearance bond of $100.
100%.
Bond out.
He's gonna go
return
to
the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. Not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
live from
If
California
I'm
prison.
making
That's
changes
right.
to these release conditions, after visiting these individuals, I'll come back on the record to make those changes. This concludes the 11 p.m. calendar.
11 p.m. You heard that? Hey, okay, so Norwegian. Oh, so hey, if you guys are watching, please hit that follow button. If you guys are here, I'm trying to hit that 10,000 subscriber mark. I'm trying to get into the creator fund, if you will. But let me see. She hold 11 minor. It was probably 11 different charges. So Norwegian, to answer that question, hell no, I wouldn't have even been able to bail out if my bill was $1,000, let alone 200,000. But yeah, back then, we're talking about over 24 years ago. This was 2001, 2002. That was the last time that I've ever had any issues. Ever since then, I've been good. I've been on the straight and narrow, changed my life up, and now, I do this. Let me see. Hey, thank you, Joanna, for the FYP. It's only 10% down. Hey, G Hart, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that. Oscar, thank you for the follow. Drew, thank you for the follow. Let me see who else is following. Yep. Hey, so for those of you that are new here, this is what I do. I do court hearings. I do parole board hearings. We do in Arizona, Florida, Connecticut. We do it all over the U.S. We do these board of parole hearings. And I also do live video calls from prison. I do prison interviews. I do prison releases. So pretty much when it comes to that type of lifestyle or that realm, I'm on it. Let me see. 10% is still 20,000. Who has that? I know I didn't have 20 G's, so I was gonna ride it out, till my time was up. But yeah, that's what it was. Let me see. El Monte BA, thank you. Highly appreciate that follow. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. And if you haven't, like I said, hey, hit that follow button. It's free 99. Doesn't cost you anything. I'm not hitting you guys up for money. I'm not asking for any gifts. I'm not asking for anything like that. What I'm asking for you guys, it's free 99. Doesn't cost you a dime. Like I always say around here, don't be a Scrooge McDuck. Don't be a Mr. Krabby Patty. Let me see. How was the sentence for? It was for 365 days. It was for a county lit. I ended up doing 4 months. I think I ended up doing like 4 months. I was supposed to do 7 months and 20 days, but I ended up doing 4 months, a little bit over 4 months, because I was able to parole out of county. Let me see, 200K for vandalism, and they, yeah. Oh, okay. Let me see, I matched 200K plus cash only in Utah for misdemeanors, and I'm almost. That's right. Let me see. Thank you for the live. Interesting cases, and this judge was on fire. Hey, I call that vato the hipster judge, if you will, with a little mustache and his glasses and whatnot. Hey, so hey, good morning. What's up, Irene? Did you catch any of it, or did you get in here late, if you will? Hey, thank you, Linaire. Thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that. Are you watching any more court? Drinking. Nah, this was the last one for the night. This is 11 p.m. The next one doesn't start until 5 a.m. So is a few hours away. That I won't be up for that one. I'll be sleeping, but I'll be up nice and early. As a matter of fact, let me check. How many of you like the Connecticut Board of Parole hearings? I'm gonna check. Let me check what the schedule is for tomorrow. So like that, you guys know what's cracking for tomorrow. Let me see here. Let me see. I wish the court here in the UK were like America. I do. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna check right now. I'm gonna check. Just give me 2 seconds right now. I'm gonna check what's on the agenda for tomorrow. Tomorrow is April 2nd. Tomorrow there's no Iowa. I was just checking Iowa. Yo, bro, love your channel and lives. Hey, thank you. Highly appreciate that. 5415, if you will. Let me see. Jasmine, I love it all. All right. Hey, man, I love you guys. Let me see here. I'm checking the schedule right now because I don't want to miss anything. Anything for Chicago? Not that I'm aware of. I'm not aware of any courts in Chicago, but if you guys got any links for any courts that are live, shoot them through and we can go ahead and check it out. For anybody interested in Minnesota, we're gonna have a hearing on the 11th. All right, mark that down on the calendars just in case I forget. So you guys go ahead and remind me. Let's check Connecticut. Let's check what's cracking for Connecticut. Florida. For Florida, I do Dade County initial appearances. Do you do Mississippi? I have not done Mississippi. Where are you from? I'm from Los Angeles, from the 213, South Florida. I came here for you, not the court cases. That's right. Let me see. Michigan. Nothing in Michigan. Good night. Hey, Matthew, thank you for stopping by. 243 needed for that 10K. Thank you, Irene. Highly appreciate that. Let me see. Okay, so for tomorrow, oh snap! Tomorrow we got one in the morning. It's gonna be at 6 a.m. for Connecticut. So Pacific, 6 a.m. for me. It's gonna be 9 a.m. in Connecticut. But we'll be on in the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on that one. I'm pull my alarm, get it going. What days do you do date? I do date every single day of the week, 7 days a week. That one starts at 6 a.m. in the morning. I do it every single day. Let me see. What's the date for date? It's tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be on live. 6 o'clock in the morning, my time, Pacific Standard Time. If you're in Dade County, then it'll be 9 a.m. If you will. Hey, thank you, David. Thank you, David Ramirez. 6 something. Thank you for the follow. So what time is it? For me, it's I don't know. You know what? Honestly, I couldn't tell you. It's 8 hours from. I mean, it's an 8 hour difference between where I'm at and where you're at in the UK. So what I would recommend is go to your world clock on your phone, type in Los Angeles for your clock. So like that, you can keep track of our time zone, if you will. Hey, you're welcome, Irene. Hey, Kramer is cracking in the MF bro. Let me see what else do we have going on right now. I see you all over. I see you all over. Lou, 3 p.m. UK time. Okay, there it is. Laughing my A off. Use Google. So you're going to be live 9 a.m. Eastern tomorrow on April 2nd. That is correct. Yes, it is. 5415 626. Oh, that's right. Hey, 626 STS. That's right. The SGV. That's right. All right. I missed that because I think because you got 2 6s. That's what threw me off. All those, that extra 6 threw me off right there. What's up, 20 Moonstone 10? Let me see. Lou, don't say that. Morning, James from Scotland. Enjoy your sleep. Hey, I am. Hey, thank you. Really appreciate that. 1690. Let me see. I lived there for 7 years. Really, Jasmine? Interesting, man. So you seen the craziness that be going on out there, South Beach and whatnot. All right. So yeah, that's what we got going on for tomorrow for sure. We have we got Connecticut going on at 6, and also whenever I'm not live on TT or TikTok, I'll be live on for sure. I'm always live on YouTube, but sometimes I can't participate because I'm doing other things. But if you like watching the streams, then there it is. If you like watching the streams with me, then you would just have to wait till whenever I'm available. I can't make a full sentence laughing out loud. Night, sleep well. Thank you, Linda. Highly appreciate that. Lou, you stalking me, laughing out loud. 20 Moonstone 10. Corazones, red hearts, if you will. Let me see. It'll be funny if somebody said today, Judge. Hey, who was here that day that we were watching court like 2 days ago, and the judge she was asking me why I was there. That was a trip. I was speechless. I didn't see that one coming when she was like, James. Hold on, James. No, that's me. And then she was like, what's your name again? It's the same thing as here. If you go to my profile, it's on there. It's at CollectCallFrom. The same thing as here. At CollectCallFrom, if you will. Let me see. I've been up an hour. It's already 7 here. And she invited you back. Yeah, man, we got to go back to her court. I was surprised. Dang, I missed that. Good night, brother. Hey, thank you, Kramer, if you will. What up? Hey. My boy, check on the bottom of your screen. There should be 2 little icons. There's a little icon that has like a 8, like a 8, and then it has one with 2 little people. Do you see those icons? Because I want to know if I could bring you on a co-host like that for the future. Or does anybody know how many followers you need to have in order for you to? So you have it? Okay. Shit. Well, let me know when you wanna jump on so you can show people your drawing skills. Yes, the guest is on. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah, I want to start bringing people on, especially when we do the video visits. For anybody that's subscribed, I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys on. Yes, we can join next. Hey, thank you. Highly appreciate that. All right. So yeah, then you're good to go. If you could see that, then I could bring you on in the future whenever you're ready. You see, he might not have camera access. Oh, really? Oh, snap. We're going to have to check. We're going to check if you got camera access. Hey, Tita, thank you. Highly appreciate that. Hey, guys. Well, you know what? I do appreciate you guys. I'm going to go ahead and take it down right now because I got to be up. And let me see. like 5 hours. Hey, thank you, E Frost. Thank you for the follow. Hey, Irene. Hey, thanks for reminding me. I gotta go ahead and update those icons and whatnot. I gotta go ahead and bring you guys something that's a little bit more presentable. Let me see. Yes, you have to have a certain amount of followers for camera access. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Hey, buenas noches. He needs more followers to get his camera on. Okay. Do you guys know how many followers you need to have your camera on? Hey, thank you, Laura. Buenas noches. All right, and if you guys could do me a favor, if you guys could follow my buddy right here, I'm trying to get him to have camera access, so because he knows how to draw, so I want to bring him on so he could show his drawing skills. Lost Angel in Barcelona. If you guys could follow him, I would really be appreciative to you. I would appreciate you guys if you guys could help him out. I think he only has like 2 right now, so. If any follows you guys could spare would highly be appreciated, if you will. I just pinned his name up on the top, so if you guys could follow. Hey, thank you, Linda. Hey, thank you, appreciate that. And if I'm not following you, let me know. I will follow you guys. I will. I'm not even like that. If you guys follow me, let me know. If you guys want to follow me, if you guys want me to follow you, I'll follow you guys back. Hey, thank you, Christian. Highly appreciate that. Let me see. It's just for the first time. It used to be 2K, but it might have dropped. Okay, be safe, bro. And I'll be turning in tomorrow. Hell yeah! Hey, thank you, 1690. Highly appreciate that. Now he has 5 followers now. So if it's 800, we only need 795 more people. So hopefully we could put a dent on that tomorrow, if you will. All right, hey guys. Well, I do appreciate you guys. Hey, Megan, thank you. Highly appreciate you. Hey, my buddy right here, the one I want you guys to follow, man. His artistic skills are on a different level. But I say that because I don't know how to draw, and he draws and he says he don't know how to draw. And I tell him, man, you need to show the world what you could do. He's like, I don't know. Like, come on, my boy, get out of that shell, my boy. Let me see any more. Nah, this was gonna be the last one for the night. Live access varies. Okay, Megan, thank you. Stop gassing. This fool's been driving for 40 years, dog, but I don't know how to draw. Come on now. Anyhow, hey, I'm going to cut the stream, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream for tonight, and I'm definitely going to be back tomorrow. Let me see. You got one more, if you will. Hey, thank you, Damo. Highly appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. Good buenas noches. Hey, I am Collect Call James. You are watching. You have a Collect Call From. And like I say around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it lights out. And with that, we're out. Ha rato y buenas noches. Hey, you're welcome, Megan. Hey, and thank you for following. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, shit. Hold up. Hold up. We got another one. We got an encore here. I pulled it too early. Let's see what it is.
Recalling number 23, Mark Chanfro, date of birth 1/24/1971, on a municipal court new case. At this time, I have previously found probable cause for 2 counts of shoplifting, class 1 misdemeanors. At this time, I'm finding the defendant is not entitled to court-appointed counsel due to the nature of the charges. His next court date will be April 16th in the Goodyear City Court. Upon his promise to appear, I'll be releasing him on his own recognizance. Same conditions of release. He's not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. I have already informed Mr. Chanfro back at his cell of these changes, and I will have jail security inform him of his new court date of April 16th. It is no longer April 9th. And this now concludes the 11 p.m. calendar.
What? I guess that's it. This time for reals. Anyhow, hey, I do appreciate you guys, and I'm out. Buenas noches.